Third, conditional. To express unreal or hypothetical situations. Something you imagine, not something that really happened in the past and their imagined results. An example: if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Studying harder is a condition that didn't happen, so passing the exam is an imaginary outcome. It's too late to change it, it's just a reflection on the past. There are two patterns for third conditional. The first is if plus past perfect plus comma plus would have plus past participle. We use a comma after the if clause. The past perfect is had plus past participle, like had gone, had eaten, or had learned. Example: if I had remembered her birthday, I would have bought a gift. The second is would have plus past participle plus if plus past perfect. Example: he would have won the race if he had trained more. Let's look at some more examples. If I had left earlier, I would have caught the bus. If they had invited me, I would have joined the party. If we had taken a different route, we wouldn't have gotten lost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next lessons.